What's up guys, Derek from Legendary here. In this video, I'm going to go over the zip code radius search Chrome extension that I created. I created this for Facebook and targeting specific zip codes. So I got a database of all the zip codes in the US, and now I can get an inside and outside radius based on a search that I generate. And I can take those zip codes in a comma separated list and just upload it into Facebook. That way, if you're a local service business, you can exclude all zip codes you don't service. There could be other use cases for this tool, but I'm going to show you how to basically implement this for either your agency to quickly exclude or include certain zip codes, or if you're a service-based business, if you want to do this as well. So inside the Ads Manager on Facebook, what you want to do is go to the advertiser settings and audience controls. And you want to check this box that you can only advertise in certain locations. You can include or exclude people. So what I would do if you're a service business is exclude all states except your state. So get a list of the 50 states and then exclude all of them except for your state. And then I would get a radius-based zip code list for inside your state. So for instance, I'm in Iowa, and say I want a 35-mile radius around Waterloo, which is one of our major metros here. I would generate an outside radius, 35 miles, and it's going to give me that comma separated list here. If you scroll down, you can see a heat map of that radius. So we got 35 miles around that central location zip code of Waterloo. So what I can do is just copy that list and paste it in here directly, and I would select postal codes from this drop down. It's going to show your pasted results in here. Click match locations, and it's going to have 898 locations. You can scroll through to double check if you want that those are the ones you want, and you would just add those right there. So very simple tool, but also very handy, especially if you're an advertiser or agency working with clients in multiple states, especially service-based businesses who need very specific location-based ads run. So let me know if you have any questions, or if you're interested in getting this tool, feel free to reach out. It's Derek from Legendary. Catch you on the next video. Stay legendary.